Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm so excited to bring you something amazing from our favorite brand, Cricut's brand new revolutionary infusible ink. Cricut takes us on a brand new crafting adventure with infusible ink. This new product replaces the feel of vinyl with pressing the image directly into the shirt fibers or other Cricut blanks instead of on top of the material. This will allow the infusible ink to settle into the Cricut blanks, eliminating the touch and feel of vinyl. With this video, I want to showcase the infusible ink, how amazing it is, but I also want to give you a few tips and tricks and instructions on how to use the brand new infusible ink. You're going to load your infusible ink transfer sheets with the liner side down and the pattern side or color side up. And make sure, just like with any other heat transfer iron-on project, that you mirror your image before your cut. Then you're going to trim away the excess sheet and save those for another project. One thing that's different about the infusible ink sheets is that you can roll the transfer sheets away from your design, eliminating the use of a weeding tool. Cricut recommends using the tweezers instead of the weeding tool. The weeding tool is too harsh for the material. Infusible ink is thicker than vinyl when weeding, and it will peel away easily with your hands just by kind of popping away the design, and very easily with tweezers. Before you start to press your design onto the Cricut blanks, it's very important to prep your material first. Use a lint roller to prep your blanks because any bit of debris on your material can affect your press. Set your easy press for 385 degrees for 40 seconds. It's very important to preheat your Cricut blanks. One tip I found while creating is to place the butcher paper on the Cricut blanks while preheating, and this protects the material. Then you're going to place a sheet of white cardstock inside of your Cricut blank t-shirt. This will protect the ink from going onto the other side of the t-shirt because once it is pressed, it is permanent. Next, place your infusible ink sheet with the liner side up. Then you're going to cover your design with a piece of butcher paper, and you do have a few sheets included with each infusible ink transfer rolls. Now we're ready to press at 385 for 40 seconds using both hands. Be careful not to move your easy press once you have pressed down. You want to keep a firm pressure, and then you can peel away your design. Remove the cardstock from inside of the t-shirt. Now we have a seamless design and your project is finished. Now let's do another project with the infusible ink, and this is the Cricut Blanks tote. The same as before, we are going to place a sheet of cardstock inside so we don't transfer the inks onto the other side of the bag. And remember, it's important to preheat your project, and you can lay a piece of butcher paper over to protect the material. Be sure to use a lint roller, and we are ready to press our next transfer sheet of infusible ink. I'm just going to place my butcher paper over the design. Make sure that the butcher paper covers the design completely. And again, we're going to press at 385 degrees for 40 seconds. We're going to peel away the infusible ink transfer sheet. And again, our project is seamless and finished. To me, this is the biggest launch in Cricut history. It is completely revolutionary and nothing like it on the market. Be sure to leave me a comment below letting me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel to be the first to know what's new with Cricut products, and I hope you enjoy your new Infusible ink. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm so excited to bring you something from our Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm excited to bring you something from our favorite brand, Cricut's hold on, Brett, I forgot what I was supposed to say. I'll do this like 6 times. Okay. Did other people do this way? Cricut's brand new revolutionary infusible ink.